Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove Ford Ranger grille. Start by parking on level ground and engaging the parking brake, then open the hood and prop it securely. Remove any trim clips with the trim tool to expose screws and bolts, and place hardware in a magnetic tray. Keep a rag nearby to wipe grease and a flashlight for visibility in tight areas. Take your time and work methodically to avoid damaging tabs. Begin by unsnapping the top plastic clips one at a time, using steady pressure so clips do not break. Next, use a ratchet and 10 mm socket to remove each bolt holding the grille, keeping bolts organized by location. Check behind the grille for any connected wiring and disconnect connectors carefully, pressing tabs to release them. With clips and bolts removed, lift the grille forward and out, while supporting it to prevent dropping or bending plastic mounting points. Some clips or tabs can be brittle, so handle them gently and replace broken ones for a proper reinstallation. Apply a small amount of penetrating oil to any seized bolts and let it sit a few minutes before attempting removal to avoid rounding heads. If paint protection is a concern, cover nearby panels with a rag or tape to prevent scuffs while levering the grille free. Keep photos of bolt locations to aid reassembly and test fit before tightening everything down.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.